Okay, student, just read, student, some problem. Okay, rejoin. All of you, please rejoin once again. Okay, now today we see we are going to see about the how we insert the elements in a binary tree. Okay, so consider one example and how we insert in binary tree. Okay. Only 19 people are joined. Okay. So I'm constructing the binary tree here. I'm considering one example and I'm going to explain that one. So for example, we are considering this one, 3, 5, 1 minute. 3, 5, 10, 9, 7, 6, 11, 14. 13. Okay, this is my given data here. Okay. So when the elements are given here, you want to construct a binary tree. Just see students, if you want to construct a binary tree, these are the elements, construct a binary tree. Just remember, construct a binary tree. How we construct binary tree? We are taking the first element as the root node here. We are considering the first element as the root node here. Okay. So here, what is the first element here? The first element is the 3 here. So 3 is our root node. So I am constructing the binary tree here. Here 3 I am taken as a root node. Any element, the first element we are considering as a root node in constructing a binary tree. Or if you construct a binary tree or any tree, first element is your root node. Then in a binary tree, you can insert by using directions. That is left, first one left, then right, again left, right, and so on. Okay. So next element is 5. So I insert 5 here. Next element 10, I insert right side. Okay. So binary contains only 0 node or 1 node or 2 nodes. So here 2 nodes are over. Then we move to 5th. So next element is 9. We consider this level. This level is store 9 here. And another one is 7. Okay, left, right, 2 nodes are over. Then we move here. Then after 7 we have 6 and then 11. Okay, so this level is over. Then we come here and the next element is 14 left and this is 13 right. Okay, So after constructing binary, if you want to insert another element, that is 16, so you do directions. That is where you have to insert this one. For example, I am given here LR, LR, and LR. Okay. So after right, you can insert. So that is first use the element will check this condition. First it moves left. Okay, left, then right. Okay, right, then left. Okay, then right again, left, right. So here is place is there, so you can insert here. Okay. So in this way, you have to insert the elements in a binary tree. And how we represent the binary tree in an array? Already told you this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8. It contains 2 elements, 9, 10. Here also 2, 11, 12. And this one is 13 and this one is 14. So in array, each position you have to store the element. If there are no element, just replace. Now in first position 3, then 5, then 10, and so on. If the element is not there, just place null. At location 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, there are no element, just replace with null. Okay, this is the insertion in binary tree. So after this is about the binary tree, then yesterday I told about the AVL tree rotations. So last concept in our fourth unit is self-balancing trees. So self-balancing trees is nothing but our AVL tree. AVL tree we call it as a balanced tree or self-balanced tree. Okay, clear students? AVL tree is a self-balanced tree. Yesterday already I told you about the that one. One minute, students. I am looking for AVL trees. Wait a minute, students. I am looking for a good one. 1 minute, student. I'm looking for AVL tree. See, students. So see here, this is AVL tree. So how we know about the AVL tree means? So see here. Here, why we consider the AVL tree concept? See here, in this, this is a binary tree, right skewed binary tree. So only right side the nodes are connected. So in this, if you want to search 7 element, item 7. So first you compare with 1, then 2, then 2, unto the height. What is the height of this tree? 1, 0. Student, is it visible? The screen is visible, students? Okay, so what we have to do is, so here right skewed is there. So if you want to search the element, what is the height here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At you have to set up to 6th level. Okay, so this is called as unbalanced BST. So BST means binary search tree. This is also binary tree, don't worry. It is a binary tree. Binary search tree is also a binary tree. Okay, we will see it later. So after this, what we have to do is, you just if you want to perform rotation, the height of the tree is decreased. So here I perform only left rotation. Okay, perform the left rotation, and the height of the tree is very height of the 0, 1, 2. If you want to set at level at height 2, you can found. But here, if you want to set the at height 7, you find the value. So in this purpose, we are using balanced trees. So one of our balanced tree, we call it as a AVL tree. Okay. So see here. Here, AVL tree is named after Adelson, Velsky, and Landis. He invented the AVL tree. So, in a binary search tree with balanced condition in which the subtrees of each node can differ by at most 1 in their height. Okay, we already told you that at most height. So, what is AVL tree? So, AVL tree means left. It is a self-balancing factor. It has some balancing factor is there. That is height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. Yesterday I already told you, height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree. We call it as a balancing factor here. If you are constructing the tree, then you have to check the tree is balanced or not by balancing factors. You have to consider the what are the balancing factor for the AVL tree is -1, 0, and 1. This is the balancing factor for the AVL tree. Okay. See here, this is AVL tree or not? Just check balancing factor. How we check the balancing factor? One minute, students. Here. So what is the height of this tree? See here. So at this level, left is 0, right is 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Balancing factor is 0. Here, here left is 1 node and right is 2 nodes. 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1. So here, okay. See here in this left is 1, right 0. So you get the value 1. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Here also 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay, 1 minus 0, right side no element. So 1. So overall trees here in this, what is the height, total number of edges for this node? 1, 2, 3. So you said left, in this left side is 3, right side is 2. 3 minus 2, that equal to 1. So it is a AVL tree because the overall height of the tree is either 0 or minus 1 or 1. Okay. So consider this example. Here left right 0, left right 0. Here left is 1, right is 1, 1 minus 1 also 0. Consider here left 0, right 0, that is 0. Here consider left is 1 and right 1, 2, 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1. Here also balancing. See here in this how many nodes are there here? Here heights here 1, 2, 3 edges are there. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that equal to 2. So this is not a AVL tree. Okay, this one is not a AVL tree. Here left subtree has height 3, but right subtree has height 1. So this is not a AVL tree. Clear, students, or any doubt? Anyone reply with a message? Is it clear? Can I move to another topic, that is AVL rotations? I'm waiting for our reply, students. Anyone reply me with a message? Can I move forward, students? So next topic is AVL trees. So in this balancing factors here, rotations in AVL tree. So you have, while you constructing the tree, just first you have to check the tree is balanced or not. So here we have the balancing factor is -1, +1, 0 or -1. These are the balancing factor. So here in this tree, so in this tree the balancing factor here is 2, but here in this 0 or -1. So this is a AVL tree. This is not an AVL tree. Okay. So we have 4 rotations are there. Okay. left rotation, right rotation. Okay, LR rotation, LL rotation means left rotation, right rotation, left right rotation, right left rotation. Okay. So here there is the problem and here left. Okay. So this is we call it as a right left rotation means this one we left, but you have to rotate in right. Okay. So that's why we call it as right rotation. But in representation it is left side problem will occur. Then you have to rotate it into right direction. Okay. So this one we call it as a left LL rotation. LL rotation means so we have remember that we just perform three rotations. We have to perform just rotation between three nodes only. AVL tree can perform rotations only in between three nodes. Okay, the tree is at the height 10 also we can perform only at three nodes only. Okay, so here is the problem here. So the height of the tree is here 2 minus 0. So this is the LL problems means left LL problem. Okay, so left side we have the problem is there. Then you have to rotate into right side. Okay, this is left rotation. We call it as a left rotation. When the problem occurs in left direction, you rotate into right side. That is the left rotation. Okay, just remember that. So just rotate right side. This will the solution. Okay, so now check the height of the tree. Now it is okay. So then we see the here there is a problem at right side. So then we have to rotate at left. So this one we call as a RR rotation, right rotation. LL rotation, left rotation, RR rotation, right rotation. So here we have the problem at right side. You have to just rotate it into left direction. So I rotate into left direction. Okay, clear students. Next, see left right rotation. See here there is a problem at left and right. So left and right means the height is 2. So how we can perform this one means see here first you have to perform rotation between these two. Okay, so just rotate it. So after rotation B comes here, A here. You just perform left rotation. So this is right. So just perform left rotation. After performing left rotation, B comes here and A comes here. Okay, then you have to perform. This is the left side problem. You have to perform right rotation. Okay. Clear students? So what is left R rotation means? Just first rotate these two. Okay, after rotating these two, because the problem here right side, then you have to rotate it left direction. So I am rotating it to left direction. It comes like this. After I rotate into right direction, then this is the solution. So in another way, just remember that in another way you have to remember that is if there is a left right problem is there. Just remember that you just place B here and this element into right side. Okay, just copy B. Just when there is a problem is there, you just move this node upward and this root node coming to the right side. Okay, see here this node moves upward and this node comes right side. So this is the solution. In this way also you have to remember. Next one, RL rotation. Here right left rotation. So right left rotation, similarly just you rotate these two, then you have to perform there is a problem at right side, then you have to perform left rotation. Okay, and another rememberation is that you just place here and this one kept at left side. Okay, just move this one to upward. Okay, just move this one to upward and this one at left. Okay, this is the solution. So these are the 4 rotations. Okay. LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, RL rotation. Okay. Any doubts, students? Any doubt, please write a message in chat box. See students, another example. So already know this is a AVL tree. It's not allowed because height is 2 minus 0. Here this is a AVL tree. Okay. So I am considering one example here. So how we insert into the AVL tree? Just see here. So consider this example. Already I told you just construct the binary tree. Then you have to check the balancing factor. If it is okay, then not perform any rotation. If not, then perform rotation here. So first one is 3 as the root node. Okay. Already I told you root as none. Then 2 is there. 2 you insert the height of the tree is 0 minus 0, 0, no problem. And 0 minus 0 is 0, no problem. Left minus right, that equal to 0. Then there is a node is 2, so direction in left direction. You can insert at left. Okay, balancing factor here is a balancing factor is our 1 minus 0, that equal to 1, it is a AVL tree. Then you can insert 2 at right side. Okay, here he is constructing the binary. He is not constructing the binary. He is constructing the AVL tree. Okay. So I am constructing the AVL tree. See here. After 3, we insert 2 left side, and after this is a balancing. Okay, AVL tree. Then insert 1 right side. This is also AVL tree because 1 minus 1 is 0. Then we are going to insert 4 at where? At left side. Already told you, right, left right direction. We have to store the elements in binary tree. Okay. So after then check the balancing factor 2 minus 1, that equal to 1. So it's a AVL tree, no problem. Then you can insert 5 here. Okay, insert 5 here, no problem. Then check 2 minus 1. Okay, it's okay. Then check the next, insert the 6 here. 6 you can insert here. So how many? 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, this is also AVL. And you can insert now 7. So it is also a AVL tree. While inserting, every time you have to check the balancing factor. Here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. This is a AVL tree. Next you have to insert 16 here. Where I am going to insert here. Then check the balancing factor. 1, 2, 3 edges are there or 3 nodes are there. 3 minus 2, that equal to 1. So it is also AVL tree. You cannot perform any operation. Here 15. Okay, here we cannot perform any operation. Here. Okay, so it is in this way you have to construct the AVL tree. Is there any problem? Then you have to perform rotation. Okay, so now I will see another example how we perform rotation. See, 14 is there. Next, we insert. He is constructing a binary tree. Just see the example. Don't worry, I will explain binary tree later. You just construct a binary tree. Now I construct how in the same way you have to just construct the binary tree. Here I am seeing the rotations. Okay. Don't confuse the example. Just how we here I am insert 14 and 17, 11, then 7, then 53. After that, I am performing. I want to insert another node here. I insert here. So is the tree is balancing. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2 as tree is balancing. Okay, 3 minus 2. Here tree is balancing 3 minus 2, but in this level the tree is not balancing because 2 minus 0. So here what is the problem here? Here problem occur at LL rotation. Here problem I already told you every level you have to check the balancing factor. So here the problem occur at left LL rotation. So LL rotation means there is a problem at left side. You have to perform right rotation. So after rotating this one, 7 comes here, 4 left side, right is 11. See here. Okay. Then you can insert 53 here. It is balancing. Next insert 12. So I insert 12 here at this level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2. So here also tree is not balanced. Here also tree is not balanced. Okay. So 4 minus 2 that equal to 2. Here not balanced. Here minus 1 balanced. Here 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 3 that equal to minus 2. Here also not balanced tree. Here also not balanced. And here also not balanced. 0 minus 2 that equal to minus 2. So then which way first which element you have to choose? Here you consider 7th level or means this one or this one, this one. So here also tree is not balanced. Here also tree is not balanced. Here also tree is not balanced. So you just consider the at height at the means from low to from top to bottom. You have to check the bottom. You have to modify the bottom value. Then automatically top value will change. So consider the bottom problem first. This one first you have to consider this problem first. After solving this, then you move this one, then move this one. Okay. So what is here? Right left. So there is a problem called as right left rotation. So right left means already told you just kept follow up and 11 to left side. Then see what the solution here. Okay, see here what he is do. First he change these two values. Same way I already told you 2 different ways you have to consider. So I first rotate this is left, then you have to perform right rotation. So there he rotate that. Okay, then there is a problem at right. Okay, he rotate this one, then there is a right, then you have to rotate left. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, then you have to check the tree. So tree balanced here after constructing this. See here 1, 2, sorry 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, here 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 1. Okay, clear. So here the tree is balanced. Now insert next item 8. So if tree is balanced, here tree is not balanced. Where tree is not balanced, first you have to check at each level. So here 1 minus 0, here 0, here 2 minus 1, 1. See here 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. And here also 4 minus 2, 2. So at these two levels, tree is not balanced. First you have to consider the bottom part. So this part you have to change. So where is the problem occur here? So here occur. So where 1, 2, 3. So here right left rotation is occur. See. Here where is the problem occur here? Here the solution change. So here right left is problem. Right left rotation is the problem. Here tree balanced. Here not balanced means right left direction problem is there. Then what we have to do? Just replace 11 here and kept 11 left side. Or first rotate these two. Okay, rotate these two. Okay, rotate. Then you move. Then change the directions here. 11 comes there and 7 left 12. Just remember here what you have to do is, so here 11 has one child is left. Okay, after performing this one here, after rotating, this comes here and 7 left. So 11 left is 7 and 7 left is 4. Okay, see here in this, don't confuse. You also remember this point after performing this rotation. Okay. 11 comes here, 11 left is 7 and 11 right is 12. Okay, so 12 right is there, that is 13 and 7 left is there, that is 4. So where we connect the 11, 8. So when we are performing rotation, then this is the parent node. Then what we have to do is the just remember that the left element is connected as the right element of this left child. Okay, this left element is connected as a right element of the left child. So okay, this one is stored at right side of this left child. Okay, to perform this is a left right rotation, then so right left rotation. To perform left right rotation, the same problem will occur. Then you have to store the least element as the right side you have to store. Here the left child right element you have to store. In that case, see the value you can identify that this element is stored in the 7th right child. Okay. Here students, are any doubt? So this is about AVL tree. Then check the balancing factor. Now you can insert 53. Okay. So overall tree height is not balanced. See here. Here tree is not balanced. So how the problem is, what is the problem here? So there is a right left problem is there. Then what we have to do is perform right left rotation. Left right rotation is there. I just perform left and right rotation. Okay, then I change. So here 53 is there. Now you insert it, then AVL tree is balanced. Now you want to remove 53. After removing 53, the tree is not balanced. So where the balance factor you have to check and perform rotations. So here I perform, there is a problem at LL. So I perform right rotation. Here after performing right rotation, 11 root and right side 17 and the left side is 7. So in 11 has 12 right side, that is the left to this element. Just now I already told you, if the left side is there for the 11, you just store at left child right link. If there is a right child is there, just you store left right side of left link. Okay. So this is about AVL tree. So for clear students, any doubt? Thank you. Today we end the session. Tomorrow we will discuss.